I have been commissioned to paint this fence behind me for a brand new rental property here in Miami. It's in a beautiful new Lennar community, and I can't wait to get it done. This space is like untouched. I've got this bucket paint sitting right here, so I'm going to try to cover that, get my doodle grid up, and then just start painting this like it's supposed to be. So let's get started. I was supposed to actually bring a drop cloth, and I didn't. This is what I came up with. Huh? I'm gonna go ahead, let me get this back on. I'm gonna go ahead, cut these boxes up, lay them down, and try and make it so that I don't mess up the ground too much. Long day.